Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today. We got our own feet in-hand review of the Yeezy Slide ORCHE joints, man. If you already did a on feet video of the Yeezy Slide, the Onyx joints, man. The all black Yeezy Slide. Go check that video out, man. That video actually doing real well. Without y'all, man, that video wouldn't be doing good as it is. I appreciate y'all showing a little support on that video as always. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you follow me all my platforms down below. I would greatly appreciate it. But not further ado, man, let's get into the video, man. So on these ORCHE Yeezy slides, I just picked them up recently, but I won the black ones on corporate. In case y'all don't know what corporate is, I did a video on corporate, you know what I'm saying, on the Rebellion Air Jordan 1s, you know what I'm saying, with the X on the here, go a video of the shoot right here. So basically, you know what I'm saying, I'm from Cincinnati area. We think we are like one of the out of 6 stores is getting the Rebellion Air Jordan 1s. So I just went up to the little, they basically popping up different locations. They was at University of Cincinnati, so I went over there, you know what I'm saying, popped up, said what's up, wooty woo, got a wristband, you know what I'm saying. So here go the wristband. Give me 1 second. Here go the wristband right here. It says corporate. So you know what I'm saying, got the wristband, all that good stuff, man. So if you from Cincinnati area, go ahead over to corporate, man. If you want them bringing their Jordan 1s, to be on the lookout for their Instagram posts. I'm put their Instagram down below. Matt Payton corporate and Jordan brand for sure. Much love, you know what I'm saying. Can't stop Cincinnati for sure, man. But y'all ain't here for me to talk about the Rebellion Air Jordan 1s. Y'all here for the Yeezy slides, man. The ORCHE joints, man. So like I said, I got our own feet in-hand review of the Yeezy slide. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I had the pure joints too. I don't know if y'all want a review on that as well. They beat up for sure. Comment down below, man. Let me know. Y'all got the ORCHE, the pure, or the Onyx joints. Let your boy know down below. So like I said, these pure joints, I actually like this colorway a lot though. It's like a dark brown. A lot of people don't like the colorway of them. I do though. That's just my personal opinion, but it's all good. But not further ado, man, let's go get the Yeezy slide out, man. Well, sometimes I'm figuring where these Yeezy slides coming from sometimes, man. It's like now, any Yeezy slide, foam runner, the 350, 700, all that's gonna say right here on the box. So it just say slide on there. And I got a personal side joint right here. I got the size 12. I also got Yeezy slide, boom, made by Adidas. Y'all can see that again, size, my personal size 12. Retail price on these was $70, but I didn't pay $70 for them. Had to pay a little extra for them, but still. So I basically got all 3 colors. I got the pure, I got the all black ones, and I got the ORCHE joints. I forget to say the name of the black one sometimes, so that's why I just said the all black Yeezy slide. I'll be forgetting to say the name sometimes, but let's go get these bad boys out, man. Bang! Here they go, man. The Yeezy slide ORCHE joints, man. Like I said, got our own feet of these joints, man. Super comfortable slide, man. Super comfortable slide. Like I said, you can throw it on with like the hoodie I got on. Just basically goes with anything you throw on. Some casual, you know what I'm saying, some jeans or something. Just something casual to wear, something comfortable to wear. You going out somewhere, you can never go wrong with the Yeezy slide. Or the foam runners, or just Yeezy period. They are super comfortable. I'm not sponsored, by the way, in case y'all wonder. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I'm just getting this video out for the Yeezy fans or the people that's trying to get in the love of the Yeezy slides. Because at first, like I said, I wasn't into the Yeezys at all. But like I said, I be on my feet majority of the time, and the Yeezys is super comfortable, man. You can never go wrong with them. You can't go wrong with them, man. But let's get the other slide out. So here it go right there. It comes on like, it's a Yeezy slide. Got my size 12. Y'all can see that. Put this box to the side. And here you go, the Yeezy slide joints right here. Like I said, go in detail of the shoe is nothing too crazy. The whole Yeezy slide upper of the shoe, well, I say the whole shoe is made by Adidas Boost. It's like a foam type of thing. Like when you press on it, it's like a foam type thing going on when you press on the Yeezy slide. So it's all made by Adidas Boost on the whole slide. And you got your Adidas logo right here. And also got your size right here. Y'all can tell, so you got this inside of the shoe, got the size. Said nothing too crazy on the Yeezy slide. But like I said, the majority of the time that people come to watch the Yeezy slides, you know what I'm saying, to find out how comfortable they are and the size run and how basically how they fit. So I know y'all wondering why do I have a size 12? In case you know what I'm saying, regular to the channel, you know I wear 11, 11 and a half. But I get size 12s in all my Yeezys because all Yeezys run small. And the slides don't have half sizes. So you got to go either your true size or your actual size up, a whole size. So I always tell people in Yeezy slides and foam runners, I always go a whole size up. So basically, like I said, I wear 11, 11 and a half. I get a 12, and that 12 fits me perfectly fine. So if you wear 10, 10 and a half, go ahead and get that 11. If you wear that 9, get that 10. Because don't get your actual true size. Cause I remember I tried 11 on, like my foot won't go inside of here. You know what I'm saying? Because after a while, this will widen out a little bit to your foot. But you know, who want to put on the slide on and basically can't fit it? It's going to take a long time to put it on. So I always have to go a whole size up. Even on a Adidas Confirm app, it always tells you before you even select the size, it will tell you like the size run on the shoe or the slide or foam run or anything like that. It will tell you. So this is my advice to y'all. Always go a whole size up in the Yeezy slides or foam runners. The shoes comes in half sizes though, but the foam runners and the Yeezy slides don't come in half sizes. So they go in whole sizes. In case y'all didn't know that, I'm just letting y'all know. So in case y'all were like, how do Yeezy slides run? But they are super comfortable. I promise y'all, the Yeezy slides are super comfortable. The foam runners are super comfortable. I always throw mine on. Like today, I'm gonna throw them on. I don't know which one I'm gonna throw. I'm just gonna throw them on and be on the run today. So I just love wearing them. They super comfortable. Can never go wrong with them, man. So Nike need to upgrade their stuff, man. Jordan brand too. Upgrade y'all slides, bro. Cause locking on these is like clouds. Just letting y'all know. Come on now. Let's get them slides together. I like all brands though. Don't get me wrong. I'm not a biased person when it comes to Adidas, Nike, whatever. I like all brands. Whoever's comfortable on my feet, I like it. It just, the Yeezys I've been rocking a lot because they are super comfortable. I got a couple little Nike looks here and there. I wear my Nike Dunks every now and then, you know what I'm saying? Or I wear like my Jordan 1 lows, something like that, you know what I'm saying? No wrong with it. But it just, if I'm on my feet, majority of the time, I just throw my Yeezy slides on, my foam runners on, and I'll be good to go. But Jordan 1s be comfortable too, though. They do be comfortable. But I did too much talking, man. Let's get our own feet going, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing a little support. We're going to come back on the video, you know what I'm saying? Talk about, you know what I'm saying, how comfortable these joints are for show on feet. All that good stuff, man. So let's get this on feet going, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. I'm back from my own feet. And like I said beforehand, these things are super comfortable, man. It's like you walking on clouds, man. So like I said, after a while, you start wearing these Yeezy slides, they're going to start widening out your feet. Because at first, when you first put them on, this part right here, it's going to be super tight. It's going to be super tight for a little minute. But after a while, it's going to start foaming on your feet. It's going to start widening out more. And it's going to be even easier to wear and more comfortable to wear, man. I promise you. Trust me, because I wear my pure joints for like a month straight. I'll make another video about that, like, you know what I'm saying, the pros and cons. I don't think there's no really too much cons on the Yeezy slide after a while because they are super durable, bro. Like, look, you can do that and come right back. Like, no creases, no nothing. I mean, I don't really care about it, but still, like, you can do all this to Yeezy slides. Like, all this to Yeezy slides, bro. And still be cool and still be durable, bro. That's the crazy part about the Yeezy slides. Because, like I said, the whole upper of the shoe is made by Boost and it's like foam. So, like, all this, you just do this to the slide. All this to the slide. Just press on it, all that, and still be good to go. So that's why I said it's made by Boost. The whole upper of the slide, super comfortable, man. Super comfortable, man. Comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all got the pure joints, y'all got the black ones, y'all got the pure. Let your boy know down below, man. Like I said, I was got in the Yeezy phase, so hey, I know a lot of people been on the Yeezy way for a long time, but hey. So I got some foam runners on Confirm app. They have, hold on, give me 1 second. They got the mist ones. I have the mist ones already. Here go the mist ones. Hold on 1 second. I have the mist ones right now on the Adidas Confirm app, and they have another colorway. It's like a grayish, a little bit color to it. I like that one. I just put it on this Confirm app. So go ahead over to the Confirm app and put the link down below so it's straight there. But I have the mist ones already. So like I said, this is size 12 in these as well. I wore these a couple times, but like I said, you can tell a little bit on the outsole, but like on the upper, like I said, it's super durable, bro. Look. Like, you could just beat them up and still be good to go. They super durable. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Super comfortable. But hope they come with different colorways of these slides. I hope they come out with some all red ones or some all blue ones. Ooh, like a olive. I think they do got an olive green colorway or like a bright green. Like, I don't know. I like blue though. Blue is like one of my favorite colors. Blue and green. So the blue ones definitely be fire. They come with some blue ones, man. But that's it for this video, man. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always. The resale on the ORCHEs is actually the cheapest ones. Then the pure, then of course the black ones cost the most. But the pure joints right now, my size on Go, I looked, it was after tax was like 161. I think StockX was cheaper too as well. So the pure ones, I think, is the cheapest ones. In the I think the Onyx ones, I think the ORCHE ones is the cheapest ones, and the pure is next. But the black ones, of course, cost the most. Of course, it's a new colorway on the Yeezy slide, but hey, it's all good, man. But like I said, man, I appreciate y'all showing love support as always. Like and subscribe if you're new. Roll to that 5K, man. Got a lot of videos coming this week. But yeah, man, that is it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always. Follow me on all platforms down below. Roll to that 5K, baby. Let's get to it. More content coming this week, so be ready. A lot of stuff coming out this week, man, so be ready. Got a lot of stuff coming. Make sure post notification bell is on. Be the first one to know when I post all that good stuff, man. As if for this video, man, y'all have a blessed one. Jordan 1 is out. Peace.